Right, lesson 8, parabolic type number 2. We have to find the locus of a point, this point P, x, y, that's equidistant, same distance, from the straight line y equals minus a, which I've drawn there, and the point naught a. Now we know from the previous lesson that this naught a is the focus. This is our focus here. And this is our directrix down here. Now I think you can see then at this point here that distance, that's a, and this is minus a, must equal each other. So this will have to be the vertex of our parabola here. Anyhow, let's work out what the equation is. So SP is equal to the square root of x minus naught all squared, or just x squared, plus y minus a all squared. Now PD, the distance PD, will be this distance here, which is a units, and it'll be y units above, okay? So it's y plus a. So it's y plus a. Now we're told that SP is equal to PD. Therefore, we can say the square root of x squared plus y minus a all squared is equal to y plus a. Squaring both sides, we get x squared plus y minus a all squared equals y plus a all squared. Now removing the brackets, we get x squared plus y squared minus 2ay plus a squared equals y squared plus 2ay plus a squared. Now we can see from that these y squareds will cancel out, and so will the a squareds. And now we take that minus 2a across the other side, and we get x squared is equal to 4ay. That's the equation. Now we can see that if we draw this like this, coming through that point, oh, it's a bit wonky, isn't it? Should be a bit more flat on this side. Let's flatten that out a bit. Make it look a bit better. Coming up like this. Trying to keep that rather flat one, isn't it? Okay. There's our parabola there. Now, see this naught a, that distance there is called the focal length. So this is the focal length of our parabola. Thanks. So we can form a parabola in this setup. We can actually determine the focal length of any parabola. So for example, I had something like x squared equals 8y, then I'd write that as x squared equals 4 times 2y, and that will give me the focal length of the parabola. So that would be 2 in that example.